The app we have built is called Garden, designed to automate garden watering and give tips on caring for your plants. The app uses sensors to measure the air moisture and soil moisture level, temperature, and automatically water your plants according to their needs. This app also provides personalized tips based on the user's preferences and the garden setup.
The hardware, which includes a memory card, several sensors, Bluetooth, Arduino Uno, a watering pump, and several other components, is responsible to contain some of the sensor data when the software is not connected. The software is able to alter the hardware's program, adjusting watering times and the trigger level of dryness for the sensor. If the user desires, the hardware is also able to automatically water the user's garden.
The parts of our app that has successfully worked so far includes the sensor integration, automatic watering system, and the personalized care tip feature.
Our app was programmed using the MIT App Inventor platform. A significant part of our software is a graphing function, which relies on the software-hardware Bluetooth connection. For each new value sent to the app, a command is done so that this plotted value is connected with the previous plotted value, creating a line segment. As more value is transferred, a line graph is therefore completed.
Once the software is connected to the hardware, it is responsible to plot 72 values for each sensor, making each graph able to plot over 12 hours. The software will store all the data whenever new data is transferred, shifting the constantly updating graph to the left.
One feature that doesn't work yet is the integration of weather APIs to provide real-time weather updates and adjusting the watering schedule accordingly. In the future, we hope to add this feature along with the ability to support for voice commands and remote access, so gardeners can control their gardens from anywhere.